Okay, friends, go ahead and get out your notebook and open up. Turn just one page, don't turn a whole chunk of your notebook. Just turn one page, right to the next blank page. Go ahead and write the date. Today is September 16th, 2020, and you had 8 spelling words, so go ahead and copy them down. I know you wrote your spelling words already, but it's important to write them again. So go ahead and just write them. Whoops, sorry. Go ahead and write them again. I have pool, weeds, take, body, get, rest, soft, sun. So last week, Monday, we were counting the sounds. Each word has a beginning, a middle, and an end. What's the beginning sound of pool? P. What's the middle sound of pool? Ooh. And what's the end sound of pool? Ooh. So that's 3 sounds. What about weeds? Let's count the sounds in weeds. W, eed, s. 4 sounds. Take, t, a, k. 3 sounds. Body, b, odd, e. Get, g, et. Rest, r, est. Soft, s, oft. Sun, s, n. There we go. That was last week. Hopefully you did that correctly. Look at sun. What is the beginning sound in sun? S. What is the middle sound in sun? What is the end sound in sun? N. 3 sounds. 1, 2, 3 sounds in sun. What you're going to do today is write some sentences. Remember, you have all the way until the end of Thursday to finish your sentences. So I'll do an example. Here's pool. I can write, I pull my wagon outside. Period. Notice that I start it with a capital letter. If you do not start the sentence with a capital letter, then it is not correct. Notice I have a period at the end. Also notice that the rest of my letters are lowercase. I did not write like this. I pull my wagon outside. Look at that. This is not the way you write. Look at this uppercase. This one's uppercase, this one's uppercase, this one's uppercase, 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 uppercase. That is not how we do it. We do it like this, where it's all nice and lowercase. So when you're writing your sentences, please go back and erase any letters that you made uppercase and make them lowercase. I did pool, so I'm going to underline it and then check off pool. I want you to get out your notebook. Go ahead and get it out. Find your notebook and a pencil. I want you to write the date, write your words, and write your sentences. All 8 sentences. Go ahead and start. You are going to write your own sentences.